you shot at someone's bedroom to kill them, pero wala pala sila doon. No victim, no injury. Can you still be punished? Yes. Under Article 4 of the RPC, an impossible crime is an act that would have been a crime against person or property were it not for the inherent impossibility of accomplishing it, or the employment of inadequate or ineffectual means. 4 requisites. 1. The act would be a crime against person or property. 2. Committed with evil intent. 3. Impossible to accomplish or ineffectual means used. 4. The act doesn't violate another law with a graver penalty. The law punishes you not for the crime itself, kasi hindi naman nakomit, but because of your criminal tendency. Penalty? Only arresto mayor or a fine, much lighter than the intended crime. In Intod versus Court of Appeals, 1992, the accused peppered the victim's bedroom with bullets, pero wala pala ang victim sa bahay. No one was hurt. The Supreme Court convicted him of impossible crime, not attempted murder. The inherent impossibility of killing someone who isn't there makes it impossible crime. But in Jacinto versus People, 2009, an employee stole an unfunded check. The theft was impossible because the check had no value. Still, the Supreme Court convicted her of impossible crime because of her criminal tendency to steal. Impossible crime punishes your criminal mind, not the result. Wala kang na-accomplish pero may penalty ka pa rin. That's part 7. Next and final, stages of execution. Attempted, frustrated, consummated. Subscribe, like, and share for law's sake for more videos.